Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna start finishing off making the stairway for this new intro digital coolie. I mean digital coolie. Ooh. Yeah, I just really made mistakes. So I decided, well, in a matter of case, finishing off with this, and it'll be good. It'll be good as news. Well, good as new. It's good as new with getting some donuts and all kind of stuff. But yeah, I can't buy donuts. It's really expensive. Okay, so the stairway is finished, so hold on a second. Select the stairway. Just make it smooth for the stairway. Make this part. Oh, I hate sneezing, but sorry about this. I'm gonna continue on. Well, what do you think about that? Well, the stairway is finished. Oh. Well, to make a stairs, add a cylinder. Leave it 64 vertices. Rotate this to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Finally, scaling it and scale. Better to use this because I can focus on this quality. Oops. I'm sorry. I have to do it. I'm sorry, but I have to do it anyways. That's gonna fix it. Yeah, I just don't want to get crooked. But I want to get straight. Duplicate it. Duplicate it. Just duplicate it one more time, and no drum rolls. It still works, but something's going on, and something goes wrong. Yeah, this part, well, not very straight. Just gonna fix it anyway. Just gonna fix it. On fix. That looks finished for the stairs. Smooth parts, edges, flat. It gives me a lot of work. It's okay. I got this. Yeah, it's really hard for others, but to me, nah, it's not really hard. Need to fix it more. Something. Just need to fix it for the stairs. Yeah, if I don't fix it right, it's gonna make mistakes. It'll be a strike. That is a stair strike. Yeah, I really did terrible, but so I decided to fix it and fix them all I could. All I could is I don't get it. One more thing. Extrude. Extrude down. The stairs look finished. Not at least to make a beaker, add a cylinder. Ooh, one more thing. Move. Moving it? Oh. Well, don't worry.